You won't believe it, but this YouTube channel is making $10,000 per month easily. How? It's got more than 4 million views in just the last 30 days. With only a few videos, it has gained almost 100,000 plus subscribers in just 4 months. All their videos have thousands of views, and they're all created using AI. The best part? It only takes them 10 minutes to make these videos. First, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Instead of using a simple prompt, use this detailed one. It allows you to choose the topic and add your storyline, and it will generate an image prompt for each scene. Hit enter and watch the magic unfold. You can see this prompt divides our script into separate parts. This will make it easier to understand and better for creating each scene's images. This is just an idea. Feel free to create your own type of prompt to make your work more efficient and smarter. After writing the script, you need to provide instructions to ChatGPT to convert the script into paragraphs. This will help us generate AI voice files without any issues. Once done, copy the text and open 11labs.io. This is one of the most popular AI voice generators that produces realistic AI voiceovers. Paste your script, select a voice actor, and generate the voiceover. Then download the audio file. AI voices are done. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene image prompt, and open Leonardo AI. Create a free account on Leonardo AI. After logging in, click on Image Generation. First, paste your image prompt into the prompt box. Then, go to Preset and select the Anime preset. In the preset style, you'll find different kinds of styles, but I'll leave it as default. Next, select the image dimensions as per your requirements. Since I want to generate images for a short video, I will choose the TikTok ratio. Then, choose the number of images. I am selecting 4. Click on the Generate button and wait for the rendering results. Now you can see these results are awesome. You can pick any image that you like or think is best for your video. Now go back and copy the second image prompt. This time, just paste the image prompt and generate it because our settings are already saved. I am fast-forwarding this process. You can use any AI image generator tools, such as the Bing Image Generator, to create the images. So guys, our image generation step is completed, but these images are very simple. We need to animate them to make them more engaging. For this, open Hyper.ai and create a free account. After creating the account, click on Animate Your Image. Now, upload the Leonardo AI generated image. Then go to Settings and set the timing to 4 seconds. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it and click on the Create button. After submitting, click on the image icon and again select Animate Your Image. Upload your second image. Then go to Settings and set the timing to 4 seconds. Copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and click on the Create button. Repeat the whole process to animate all your images. You can directly generate videos using Hyper AI, but we need content related to our story. That's why we first created images using Leonardo AI. So finally, guys, our simple images have been successfully converted into animated videos. Now download all these videos and import them into CapCut or Filmora video editor. Now, drag the audio file onto the timeline first, then drag the animated videos according to your scenes. If you find that the clip duration is too short, select the first clip, click on Speed, and reduce the playback speed of all clips by 2 or 3% for smooth playback. After adjusting the speed, go to Transitions and apply any transition you like. Next, select the first clip, go to Animation, and apply an animation from the Combo option. Finally, generate captions and select a caption template that looks professional. After this, you can add your own background music or use music from the YouTube library. Make sure to add no copyright music to your videos. Export your video, and you're ready to rock. Here is a demo.
Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there were two boys named Alex and Sam. Alex was rich, living in a big house with everything he could ever want. Sam, on the other hand, was poor, residing in a small apartment with just enough to get by. Despite their differences, they were the best of friends.